Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Ninja Gaiden for no intro mod. I'll show you guys how to install it. You just need to check my video description for this site link. And as he mentioned, note only removes the Team Ninja video. Go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then this will start download. After the download done, click on it and just make this left. On right side, you just need to navigate to the game folder. If you doesn't know where the game is installed, then check my video description for this file path. Just navigate to this path and then just drag and drop the assets folder to your game folder and select the replace the file in the destination. And now just close stuff here and open the game. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.